mission station on Space to Ground.
Welcome to Space to Ground, your weekly look at what's happening on board the International Space Station. I'm Dan Hewitt. Scott Kelly spent this week preparing the station for a supercharged boost to its air supply. 2 tanks for the Nitrogen Oxygen Recharge System, or NORS, are getting ready to fly on the next Cygnus resupply mission to the station. Weighing in at about 240 pounds, these tanks are pressurized to over 6,000 psi, more than double what you might find in scuba diving tanks. They'll provide additional breathing gases for the station atmosphere and the pure oxygen astronauts breathe right before suiting up for a spacewalk. And now we go from air tanks to rocket tanks this week in station science. Sphere Slosh is back, and it's helping engineers get an inside look at how liquid fuel moves around in space. 2 of the bowling ball-shaped satellites flew around the station strapped to a fuel tank as part of an investigation to improve our understanding of how rocket propellant behaves while in microgravity, vital for improving the safety and efficiency of future spacecraft. This week's question is from Iceblade, who is wondering why white specks show up in some of the videos from the station. Well, as it turns out, humans aren't the only things that have to battle the negative effects of being in space. Harmful radiation is a big concern while exploring the cosmos, and it can actually damage electronics. The space station is close enough to Earth to be well protected, but things like camera sensors can take radiation hits. This is why you'll sometimes see dead pixels in videos from the station, and why we fly experiments like the high-definition Earth viewing payload to see how long cameras can last. Keep sending us your questions and comments using the hashtag #SpaceToGround. We'll see you next week.